Business owner, are you looking to fix your personal credit? Well, you don't have to look no further. I want to tell you real quick in 30 seconds, 4 different things that makes my company different from other credit repair businesses. Now, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Richard Guilbeau. I've been doing credit repair since 2015. And one of the things that makes my company different is that I actually have a team of people that do it. I'm not just some one-man band or one-man army that's doing all of it by myself. I actually have a dispute team, a sales team, a customer service team. I don't really handle a lot of the stuff in the business. And one of the big things about my dispute team is that I have a supervisor who used to work in TransUnion and in Equifax. So we know how to do things that most credit repair companies don't know how to do because they never worked inside of the credit bureaus before. The second thing is that we're very, very aggressive when it comes to credit repair. We don't just send letters and sit back and wait 30, 45 days. Being that my supervisor used to work in the credit bureaus, we actually have specific numbers that we call, and we can call and dispute certain things over the phone for you. So that's the reason why we get results super, super fast for our clients. And we're super aggressive. We're not one of the companies that you're gonna pay $100 a month for the next 5 years and your credit's still not going to be done. Our main goal is to clean your credit as fast as possible, especially if you're looking to get funding, because we help with the funding as well. And that brings me on to my third thing, is that we have other things to do with you after your personal credit is clean, whether it be building your business credit profile, getting you funding to grow a business, or even putting you in touch with a realtor so you can buy a house. We have other things to do with you after your credit is finished. Credit repair is really just the basic level. So after that, we want to get you doing a whole bunch of other things with us as well. So our main goal is not to keep you doing credit forever, but it's for us to finish the credit so we can actually do multiple things with you. And there's a lot of different things that I could say that makes us different, but the last thing I'm gonna tell you is that we have a customer service team. So a lot of times you guys might sign up with a credit repair business and you can't get in touch with anybody, you don't know what's going on with your profile, but we have a team that actually reaches out to you and lets you know what's going on with your profile. These are the deletions, this is what's going on with your credit. They're going to let you know all of that stuff by giving you a call and also sending you a text. But then you also have your own portal, so you can log in and see what's been deleted. And you can see multiple things on your portal as well. So we're going to make sure that everything is super, super simple for you. The only thing you have to do now is click the Learn More button down below, schedule a call with the team so we can tell you more details about what it is we offer, the prices and everything, so that way you can get started and we can start getting you results. I'll see you on the inside.